Hey guys, on this episode of Make It with Calvin, I'm going to be talking about 3D printing these adapters for a Trip Trapp Stokke Chair to work with the Trofast Tray from Ikea that my sister actually asked me to help with. So let's dive into it. There's a hack that you can do that you can use the Trofast Tray from Ikea with the Trip Trapp Stokke Chair. And the idea is the tray should, in theory, slide in like that. But the thing is, it can fall down because it's a really loose fit. So thanks to the magic of the internet and generous people who have come up with various designs, my sister went online and found these 3D files for these parts on Printables.com. So got a text, hey, could you print this? Here's the file, and went ahead and printed it. So the first one that I did was this in some blue PLA. I just wanted to make sure that everything worked because people had commented that both the chairs and the trays had changed in dimension. And some people only needed one adapter, some people needed two, some people found it to be a slightly tight fit. So I figured let's just do a test piece real quick in some cheap PLA, double check this idea even works. And if that works, then we're going to jump ahead and print it in something more durable. So printed this, mailed it down. It works perfectly, but we don't need it anymore for this project. So what I did is I came along and printed it up in some black Taulman 3D Bridge Nylon. I'll be doing a specific video on this in the future, but I have to say I think this part is going to be pretty durable. The main reason why I did this in nylon is because of the fact that it won't necessarily break into really sharp shards the same way that PLA or PETG can, which could be a legitimate safety issue. Also, this is a little bit softer, so hopefully it would be a little less likely to scuff this up. Now, install is really simple. I just pop the part in on the side right there. It's a nice fit. It's not super snug, but it holds. If you were worried about it falling out, you could probably just use a little bit of removable adhesive to hold it in place. So the true test is we take the tray, we slide it in there, and boom. So you need to get something out, slide the tray out, you're done, slide the tray back in. In real life, I don't think my sister will be pulling it out fully, probably just like that to remove the lid and the contents inside. But I have to say, this actually turned out really nice. Now, if somebody wants to go back and remix the file so that it can work with the current configuration like this, I would highly recommend that you do that and you post up a link to it. But in the meantime, I think this is going to get the job done and she's more than happy. So, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you here next time on Make It with Calvin with more useful projects like this, because honestly, this is what makes doing 3D printing and manufacturing really rewarding, is solving real life issues for people, both people you know and people you don't know, with projects like this. So, see you guys next time.